Hey guys, here's how I added a latte art to my image. You can either find this image on Unsplash, Pexels or any other image stock site. Make sure you find a top view image of the latte art. Now I am going to open the image on which the latte art is going to be applied. And I am going to apply a preset and open it into Photoshop. Now let's open the latte art image in Photoshop. Select the elliptical marquee tool, hold shift and make a selection around the latte art. Now after you make a selection, you will see that there is no option to resize your selection. To resize, choose the select option and then transform selection. Now you can resize by using any of these four corners, and once you are happy with your selection, press enter. Now right click on the selection and select layer via copy. Now you will see that a new layer is created. Now select the move tool. Note that the light is coming from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. You can identify this by looking at the shadow casted with the rim of the cup. Now click and hold onto the latte art and drag it onto your image. Now rename the layer latte art. Now press Ctrl T and adjust the latte art roughly to the size of the cup. Observe the direction of the light. It is from left to right. So the darker part of the latte art should be pointing to the light source. Hit Ctrl T and rotate the dark part of the latte art towards the light source. Keep the latte art at the center of the cup. Don't move it to the edges. Now right click and select Distort. With Distort, now you can stretch the image to fit the cup. Some places will need finer adjustments, so right click on the image and select Warp. Now you will get a few more points to work with. Once you are done, press enter. Now we have to work on the exposure of the latte art so that it blends in well with the entire image. For that, select the curves adjustment layer and then right click on this layer and select clipping mask. Now whatever adjustments we do with the curves will only be applied to the latte art. Here I feel the exposure on the latte art is little bit high, so let me take it down a little bit. I feel this exposure is better. Now let's take a look at before and after. For that, select these two layers and hit Ctrl G. This will group both the layers into one folder. Let me rename it to latte art. Now you can see the before and after by clicking on this I button. Here is the before, here is the after. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys got some value out of this video.